Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how a raffle video works. Me and Greg will be running them for now. What we'll do first is you'll see us type setting up, then you'll see us type live. What we mean when we type live, if you look here, there's a ticking timer in the corner, 8:37. So I'm going to go back to the post and I'm going to type live. So we are live, 8:37 p.m. 8:37 p.m. We'll always verify that so you know that we're actually running the video at the time we're saying we are. Alright, so now we're going to grab the list, copy and paste. We have 10 or 8 entries. We're going to drop them in. Here's our 8. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to roll 2 dice. And we need to find a 5 or higher. So we have an 11. So that's good. If it was 5 or less, we would roll 2 dice again until we got a 5 or higher. So we're going to go 11 times. This will be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 times. Dice is an 11. Next, click the top spot would be your winner. 11. Hunter Lee is your winner. And then you will see us type done, 8:38. So we will go back to the post and we will type done. We are done. 8:38. 8:38. The timestamp still matches. Here's a timestamp again when the final roll occurred and the verification code.